guys, it's Tanya. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. If you're new here, I basically come on here to test, talk about, and review all products related to makeup, skin, and the hair. So basically today's video is just gonna be a little chit chat, get ready with me. I'm going to work in like less than 2 hours, so I'm basically just gonna be getting ready, showing you guys what products I use on a daily basis, just talking about life. If you have any suggestions on products that I can try and test out, go ahead and leave them in the comments down below. Like, comment, and subscribe if you guys enjoyed this video, and let's get started. I'm not gonna do anything too crazy, but I am thinking of going into this palette right here, and it's basically galaxy themed. So let me show you up close. I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair back. I did bring my little black lace headband again. It is kind of a throwback to my old videos that I was watching the other day. Guys, nostalgia. And not even like real nostalgia because it was only 3 years ago, but it was like almost looking back at those videos, I felt like, who am I looking at, you know? It makes you think about time and it makes you think about life, and it's just kind of crazy how life happens. And I'm honestly really excited to be back here on YouTube making videos again. So I'm just gonna start out with my oil-free facial moisturizer that I got from Target. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that all over my face. But yeah, guys, it was crazy looking at my old videos. Like, cringy, yes, but not to the point where like I wouldn't be happy to tell somebody to go watch my videos. Even the ones from 3 years ago, I'd be like, go watch it, go watch my videos. All right, so my face is moisturized, feeling good, and we're ready to get into some makeup. So I'm just gonna go into the L'Oreal 24-Hour Foundation for... Oh my god. So I'm just gonna go in with the L'Oreal 24-Hour Infallible Foundation for today's look. What do you want to talk about? Put it down in the comments how your day's going. How's life going for you? Have you been trying any new products? How have they been working for you? What's your favorite eyeshadow palette? And all of the above. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go in with concealer for like my under eyes, so that's why I'm looking a little bit crazy right now. So for concealer, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I'm just going to put it a little bit under my eyes there. Okay, looking good. And then I'm just gonna put some there on my lid. So I'm just going in pretty lightly there and just blending that in. So I'm gonna go ahead with the other side. So concealer is all blended in. I will say, guys, I did get a new case and I am loving it. I bought it from Casetify, and I've always heard about Casetify, and I bought my phone in like November, but for all that period I didn't have a case on it, and I was that crazy person. I was that wild, irresponsible, crazy person walking around with no case on their expensive phone, and this is what it looks like. Oh, you guys see that? Oh my god. Look, it's a cat when they hear something and then their ears go back and then it's like calculating and then there's a bunch of like math in the back. This is just like so cute. I love that it's clear so that you can see the color of my phone. So that was an exciting thing. I got a new phone case. I got a new laptop like a couple weeks ago. I'm gonna zoom you guys in just a little bit closer so you can get to see my eyes a little better. And we're just gonna start putting on those eyeshadows. So I'm gonna go in with my finger and I'm gonna go into that orange, which is the Venus. And I'm just gonna put that all over the base of my lid. I mean, do you see how beautiful that orange is? Are you kidding me? So I don't know if you guys are into movies, but if you are, please comment down below. I love talking about movies too. So if you've watched anything recently that you would recommend to somebody else to watch, please put them down in the comments. I went to go see The Batman when it came out, and honestly guys, it was a really fun movie. The action was insane, the cinematography, just the soundtrack. It was really, really cool. And I had such a fun time watching that. I also went to see the movie Death on the Nile, and that one was actually really fun. It took a while to get started. We were like 40-ish minutes into the movie and nobody had died yet, so we were just like, what's going on. But once it picked up, it was just intensity 0 to 100 all the way to the end of the movie. So that was a really fun time. All right, so I like how the orange is looking right now. We're gonna go in with another color, and that color is going to be Jupiter, which is this really beautiful rosy pink color. So I'm going into that shade, and we're gonna go into that crease, and we're gonna start blending in. Alright guys, so I'm really liking how this is looking all together, and the next thing I'm gonna go into are my brows. I went ahead and just did my hair off camera. As you can see, I just literally have a bun. Nothing crazy. I just I don't have good time management, so I have to leave for work in like less than half an hour, so I need to start like getting on it. Alright guys, so I didn't even have enough time to do like the rest of my face because I gotta go. But this is kind of how the look came out. I went for the downturn eyeliner look, and I really like how it came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm so sorry. I will definitely try to do a better one next time. Bye.